Greetings everyone, another one of my stupid ass episodes here, and today we're going over a review of the new Ligator Ghost Fan Fret 7 string. Going over the specs a little bit quick. This is a headless guitar made by Ligator Guitars. I've sampled their stuff in the past with like those sounds from Voice in My Head and that Rings of Saturn thing I did a couple years ago, or months ago, I guess now. No, but it's a swamp ash body with Ligator's own custom locking tuners down here, three-way switch and volume knob, tone knob, and all the other fancy stuff. And that's pretty much it. Also has this dual locking nut thing up here, if you can see. So it has a first locking nut, kind of what you see in a guitar with a whammy bar of some sort, along with this kind of standard issue kind of headless locking thing. Other than that, it's pretty standard. It reminds me a lot of what Strandberg's kind of guitars would do, along with kind of what the Kiesel headlesses are made out of. It plays well, as you can hear. This is just playing directly right into the recording device that I'm using. I'm just using an iPad. Going directly into a Blackstar mini amp. It's called an ID core, and it plays very well. The only problem I ever had really with this instrument was just trying to get fret buzz, which I have the Action super high, as you can probably tell right there. They're about, I would say, about an inch, maybe an inch and a half. I'm probably exaggerating a little bit there, but it's really high nonetheless, just to make sure that fret buzzing can't get past, because there's a lot on this instrument. But other than that, it's a beautiful instrument to play. It plays beautifully. It only cost me like $600, I think. For headless of that range, it's still very, very amazing. I know I'm going to be using a lot more of this in the recording process for some other stuff I go down the road. Other than that, that's kind of all for this little bit shorter episode today, because I've been busy trying to move everything here and there, and so this is going to be a shorter episode, but more stuff will come on the pass future, so stick around. I do reviews on here and whatnot. Not of gear album reviews probably in the future. So stick around, subscribe, like this video or not, I don't care. Goodbye.